Hey y'all, I wanted to share with you my new light fixture that we got from Decor. We finally got it hung and it looks amazing. It totally transformed this whole room. Before we just had like a white fan, which fans are great, but I really wanted something nice to go in here to make it just feel better. But this fixture, we've seen it on multiple sites for like over $300, and we got it for pretty much almost 50% cheaper from Decor, which is why I love them. I have a lot of stuff from there actually, just because of that, and it's good quality. But I wish, let's see here, you can kind of see the detail. Like, look how beautiful. And then I'll turn the lights on too for y'all. So super bright. It takes 6 60-watt bulbs. So let's see. And we got dimmable bulbs. So check it out. Isn't it awesome? Thank you, Decor.